Good morning, the colleagues in Chile, and I'm Yoshihiro Mizuno from Pacific Consultants. And today, from now, I'd like to introduce my presentation, the JCM model project formulation study in Chile. And first, I'd like to apologize that the file on the website that which you are downloaded as a reference material is a little bit different from my presentation from now, because I changed a little bit contents just before last minute of the before the seminar. Okay, so this is the content of this my presentation. And that first, I'd like to introduce my company profile. Secondly, I would like to introduce the outline, the current progress with our study in Chile to find out the JCM model project. And last one is I'd like to introduce our example, the key aspect to it, the JCM financial support scheme. Okay, so now I would like to introduce our company. The company name is Pacific Consultants, and our company is one of the largest consulting company in Japan. And our company established almost 70 years ago, and we have a lot of branches. Of course in Japan, also the abroad, the South Asia countries. And that is our covered business field. And as I mentioned, our company is a civil engineering consulting company. And so also our main business field is planning or designing or some of the construction management and project management on the transport sector or other infrastructure sectors, and also the environmental issues or some survey or development studies. And now our company trying to expand our business not only in Japan but also to the abroad. And now our business field is expanded to the around the 29 countries. Now we would like to expand our business. And so, and also our company has experiences on the JCM experiences of the Japanese delegation company of the JCM model project in the past. And for example, we had we are the Japanese delegation company of the JCM model project in the island country like Palau. We did the installation for a PV on the rooftop of the factory or buildings. We did a same kind of project in Africa, in Kenya. But that is a little bit, now we a little bit changed our focus on to the assisting the formulating the JCM model project now. So now I would like to move on to the topics of the outline with our activities in Chile regarding the JCM model project formulation. Our company, Pacific Consultants, has been commissioned by Ministry of Environment Japan to formulate the JCM model project in Chile and also Costa Rica and Mexico. And the main objective is our study is to identify possible project candidates and assist the project candidates to develop the proposal for JCM financial supporting schemes program. And as I mentioned, target country is Chile, Costa Rica, and Mexico in Latin America. And also our company also cover the other countries like the Maldives, Palau, Kenya, Ethiopia, and also Saudi Arabia. So, and we had a lot of experiences to formulate the JCM model project in other countries. And in Chile, we had a local partner in Chile named Sustoland, and now we got a very great support from them for our activities. And I'd like to mention about the COVID-19 impact on our project formulation, our studies, and also the countermeasures for that. As you know, that due to the COVID-19 impact, our team also cannot go to your countries, and because of the restriction travel or free movement. So before this study, or also the beginning with these studies, we had a lot of concern, like the maybe difficulty to make opportunities to meet project owners, better understanding on JCM on each other, also the obtain information to data to make a good proposal for the JCM financial supporting program. And also of course, that is the most critical point, find out project candidates. That is the very, very difficult point which we assumed at that time. And for that, we set a countermeasure for that issues. As I mentioned, we collaborate with local partner Sustaland, and we had been working together for around almost half a year right now. But before that, we had I believe that Sustaland have a good knowledge on the JCM and also the carbon credit mechanism. So now we are very happy to work with them because they are good support on us. And also we had a periodical meeting, online meeting with local partner Sustaland. Now, as you know, that there is a time difference between Chile and Japan, almost 12 hours. And we said that the periodical meeting in the evening Chile, but in the morning in Japan. And we had a very smooth communication with them through online. We think that that is a good point because before the COVID-19 pandemic, we didn't notice this kind of the very good, useful tool, online tool. Because of this tool, we can make a good mutual understanding and smooth communication with them, I think. And also we had meetings between project owners and local partners among so that kind of the business matching, I believe, and the online meeting among project owners and also local partners. I'm sorry, and also that we had some another issues because due to the COVID-19 economical stagnation. And now maybe in Chile, also in Japan, also that the business plan, new investment plan are forced to be changed. So that is a very critical issue for us because to formulate the JCM project, and it's difficult to find out project owners who are interested in JCM or JCM financial support scheme because they don't have opportunities to accelerate their business plan or investment plan due to the COVID-19 or due to the economical stagnations. So our side will try to make a polite explanation on JCM and JCM financial support scheme and also the benefit, also the the future plan of this JCM financial support scheme. You know that the Japanese government have a set of very high very target to reduce GHG emission reductions, and for the Japanese government, we continue effort to reduce GHG emissions. That means we believe that these JCM financial support scheme will continue as well next year. So I think that our side, we try to explain those plans and also accelerate and encourage them to continue their activities to consider to use JCM financial support scheme. And this is the right now current possible project candidates this in Chile. Right now we discuss with the have a meeting with this kind of a project owner to use the JCM financial supporting program to implement their project in the future. For example, cogeneration in hospital or solar panel with batteries in the campus, or the fuel replacement for warehouse supply trucks, and also waste to energy using waste tire. That is a good, I think, a good idea to kind of the biomass generation. That would be. So now we have been continuing discussing with them, and our side trying to find a good candidates for Japanese private company who will be able to the Japanese delegation company. And also that these kind of the project candidates introducing renewable energies or the using the waste to generate the electricity, that will contribute the energy achievement of in Chile's countries, and also that is a good can I say accelerate the activity of the green recovery. I think these utilizing JCM finance and support program will be the good power, good engine, driving force to accelerate green recovery and also the energy achievement in your country, I believe. And so that is last content in my presentation. That is key aspect to utilization of finance and support scheme. The Mr. Inada object introduced the scheme, also the can I say procedure or time schedule or the JCM scheme. But better understanding what is the JCM and what is the scheme or JCM finance program scheme is a very key or very necessary, very important key point to can I say consider the good product candidate, good proposal for JEC. So PCK, passive consultant, will be able to assist you to formulate, to consider the how to use these schemes to formulate the JCM model project. For example, this is an example that the which we had during our meeting with the project owners. That, for example, what exactly does JCM Finance Support Program cover in the case of a solar PV project? You know that in the case of the PV panel or the inverter cables and the monitoring equipment will be covered, but that is the can I say direct answer for these questions. And also what is the refund system or JCM Finance Program, and as you know that the JCM Finance scheme will not upfront payment will cover after verification on the project completion and also the completion installation and the test run and verification by JEC. That is the answer for it. So these kind of the question maybe you will have to consider the utility JCM, also JCM financial support scheme. We passive consultant can answer this kind of question to tackle, to consider, to utilize the JCM financial scheme. So if you will face to any questions, and please contact us. We, passive consultant, can help to understand JCM financial support program and formulate the international consortium. Also, we can find out the candidates for Japanese private company which can be the Japanese delegation company of your international consortium. So that is the contact information for our side, passive consultant. We have, and also that is a list and the contact information of Sustren, our company in Chile. So please contact to us to make a good project in Chile. Thank you so much.